Hey, what's up, y'all? This is your girl, Bright Eyes. I'm here with another video. So right now, I'm just showing you how I make this children pleated face mask. So right now, I'm using heat transfer paper to make my own prints before I start making the mask. Now, if you want this pattern, the link is in the description. On my website, it's called randomdesigns.net. So you could buy the pattern. Not only you will get the pattern for kids, but also adults as well. So just click on my link if you're interested in purchasing the pattern. It is called randomdesign.net. Okay, so right now I'm just cutting my fabric out. I already placed the pattern on the fabric using the ruler to cut out my pattern. And you can see I make my patterns very easy to use. And right now I'm just cutting the notches so I know where to float. This part is important so that way you know where to fold your pleats. And just in case you forget, I also written the word fold so you know where to fold the pleats. Okay, right now I'm going to be preparing to cut the interlining fabric, which is for the face mask, is the interlining part of the face mask, and you want to add that to the face mask because by having this fabric, you know if you need to change your face mask or you could put a filter in it. It's up to you how you want to make the mask. Also, I'm doing the same thing. I'm applying the notches onto the pattern so I know how to fold it and sew it. Okay, so right now what you're seeing me doing, I am placing the nose wire on the face mask. I'm going to begin to top stitch it on my sewing machine to start sewing. You want to top stitches 1/4 of an inch to sew the face mask. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, I'm taking my face mask and I'm going to use my clips to fold the pleats to prepare for me to sew it. So right now what you see me doing, I am taking the interlining fabric and I'm going to stitch it right now. Okay, so right now what I'm doing, I am folding the interlining pleats together because I am preparing the interlining fabric with the other printed fabric. I am placing it together and now I'm going to begin to sew the bottom part of the fabric and I'm going to top stitch it 1/4 of an inch like you see me doing right now. So once you finish folding the bottom part of the fabric, you're going to top stitch it 1/4 of an inch. Now that I've finished sewing the bottom part of the fabric, I'm going to prepare my elastic and measure about 10 inches. And when I tie it in a knot, it should be at least 4 inches or 4.5 inches. Now that I finished measuring my elastic, I'm gonna place the knot inside, fold it over, and top stitch it. You want to top stitch it at least 3/8 of an inch. Like you see me, and before you top stitch it, make sure to back stitch it and start, and when you finish sewing, to back stitch it again to keep it in place. With the other side, you when you tie it in a knot, you fold it over, and you want to stitch about 3/8 of an inch. Make sure you back stitch it before you start, and when you finish sewing, you back stitch it again, just like you see in the video. Okay, if you come this far, you just completed your kids' face mask, and that's it. You're all done. So thank you for watching my video, and please hit the like and subscribe. Bye.